Hi fellow RC enthusiasts, it's John Foster RC here, and today I'm going to reveal what I've actually received in the post. This is thank you to Pete Wylie RC. I've been chatting with Pete on the YouTube channel, and thanks to Pete I've managed to get into the same clan as Pete has now, and now for the reveal. This is what I've bought. Hello, and yes, and this is the Arrma Typhon. This is the mega version, so this is the entry-level version. You'll have to forgive me for buying the entry-level version and not the 3S models. I'm still learning how to use these types of radio, so I thought I'd go for the entry-level version and then upgrade as I go along. This is a 1/8 scale buggy, and it's rather stunning. I saw this and been chatting with Pete about how to get these up and running and started, and he talked me into it. And yeah, you get the box is fairly standard to open. You basically get the machine and you get what's included here. So you get the manual, you get the charger, you get the tool pack, you get the Spectrum SLT3, and you actually get the model itself. So very nice model, and it's very, I think it's very quick. Everything's all done for you. Arrma's done all the hard work in building it for you, and I think it speaks for itself. I like the colour, nice and bright, and in fact we bought two of these, one for my son as well, so we're going to go buggy bashing, obviously once we're allowed out of course. And yeah, I'm going to give you a quick show of what's inside the chassis, so be right back. So the removal of the shell, and good feature here on the removal of the shell is the body pins are on these rubber connectors that connect to the body, so you don't lose them, which is really nice. You have to forgive the light, it's been a bit of a dull day today, so the light's not very good, but I'll do my very best to show you. So you get oil shock as standard. You get nice oil shocks. This comes with an 8.4 330 milliamp hour battery. You get your speed controller. This is LiPo compatible, so 2S LiPo compatible. Your 12 turn 550 size motor, and everything all ready to go. And got a few little maintenance, or not maintenance, a few little setup things to do. Again, thanks to the information from Pete. Got a few on the actual drive shafts, where the drive shafts meet the gearboxes and where they meet in the hubs on the wheels. We've actually got to do a little bit of the grub screws, got to do a little bit of thread locking on the grub screws so they don't fall out. But it's very easy to maintain and very easy to work on. And thanks to Pete Wylie again for the tips and tricks. So go check out Pete's tips and tricks on the Granite. He's done a very extensive review on how to get these up and running for the first time without disappointment. But yeah, looks very cool. Looking forward to getting out, and both my son and I are very much looking forward to getting out and doing a bit of fun bashing. Very good indeed. There's plenty of information on the main manufacturer's website about the actual individual components, so I'm not going to go through that with you. You guys can easily pop over to Arrma RC. Anyway, so there you are. It's the Arrma Typhon. This is the mega version. Beginner like me needs to keep control, and we look forward to it. And thanks for watching. See you all again soon. Bye bye.